Alright, let's discuss here the last step to multiplying decimal numbers here. So, what is the last step to multiplying decimal numbers? And the last step is to place the decimal point on the product. The sum of both factors' place values will determine decimal placement. So we're going to go step 1 through step 3. So we have 301 and 7/10 times 5 and 1/10. 1/10. Here we go. And let's clean this up just a touch here. Organize everything, that way we have enough space and maintain kind of a good organization within rows and columns here. So we have here 7 times 1, well that gives us 7. 1 times 1, well that gives us 1. 0 times 1, that'll give us 0. And 3 times 1 gives us 3. We're not going to place any decimal values here at this moment. Place a 0 here. And let's continue on with the second row. 5 times 7, or 7 times 5, well that'll give us 35. Write down the 5, carry over the 3. 1 times 5 is 5, and we're going to add 5 and 3, giving us 8. 0 times 5, well that gives us 0. And then we have 3 times 5, giving us 15. Let's begin adding here. Alright, let's clean it up just a little bit here, so we can start the addition process here of the rows. Alright, 7 times 0, well, that'll give us 7. 1 plus 5, that'll give us 6. 0 plus 8, that'll give us 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5, just bring it down, and 1, just bring it down here. So now, step 2 says we're going to go ahead and count the decimal places. Well, the first factor has 1 place value. Okay. The second factor has 1 place value. And we're only counting the decimal place values to the right of the decimal point. Right? 1 plus 1, well, that'll give us 2. So now we know that we need to jump from right to left on our product 2 spaces. So we're going to start at the 7 and jump 2 spaces to the left. Alright. Clean this up just a little bit now that we have our decimal point value there. And we are left with 1,538 and 67 hundredths.